Welcome to Fix and Ride e-bikes.
Last year I built a small cart made out of wood and parts of a small electric bike. It ran really good and it was very enjoyable. My kids played with it a lot, but then they stopped and it just became a big wood cart in my yard. The development process took a while. It had several steps and I had several versions. I learned a lot from the process and had lots of fun building it. After half a year nobody drove it, I decided to take it apart and build from the parts something new, smaller, faster, more agile, and that can climb more steep hills. Before you, one of the first test drives. This video was taken by my wife.
And
this video was taken by my younger child, my daughter. You can hear her babbling in Hebrew in the background.
וואו, באיזה מהירות הוא טס. תמיד שהוא נוסע, אבל טס זה יותר טוב. ומי זה בא? שעושה קולות מוזרים. כן, זה אמיר בורנשטיין, חברים. אני אוהבת לעשות משפטים. מה הרכב הזה עושה כאן? בחניון.
20 קמ"ש.
20 קמ"ש הוא נוסע בזה, וזה
The small bimba can reach 20 kilometers per hour, both downhill and uphill, in this parking lot which is next to our house. This version of the bimba is much smaller and much lighter. It weighs about 28 to 30 kilograms. Since it's much lighter and smaller, it can go and climb the steep hill next to our house. So I can use it together with my own 100 kilogram body weight in order to circle our neighborhood. Obviously, if the kids, which are much lighter than me, will try to take it around the neighborhood, it will ride much faster and will be able to climb even steeper hills. But for now, they are terrified from it.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was enjoyable and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.